it suddenly struck me that that tiny pea, pretty and blue, was the Earth. I put up my thumb and shut one eye, and my thumb blotted out the planet Earth. I didn't feel like a giant. I felt very, very small. I believe every human has a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine. I think we're going to the moon because it's in the nature of the human being to face challenges. It's by the nature of his deep inner soul. We're required to do these things just as salmon swim upstream. We had hundreds of thousands of people all dedicated to doing the perfect job, and I think they did about as well as anyone could ever have expected. All in all, for someone who was immersed in, fascinated by, and dedicated to flight, I was disappointed by the wrinkle in history that had brought me along one generation late. I had missed all the great times and adventures in flight. I fully expected that, by the end of the century, we would have achieved substantially more than we actually did. I thought the attractions of being an astronaut were actually, not so much the moon, but flying in a completely new medium. It's a brilliant surface in that sunlight. The horizon seems quite close to you because the curvature is so much more pronounced than here on Earth. It's an interesting place to be. I recommend it. Here men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon. July 1969 AD. We came in peace for all mankind. I can honestly say, and it's a big surprise to me, that I have never had a dream about being on the moon. I believe that every human has a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine running around doing exercises. In much of society, research means to investigate something you do not know or understand.